Hello everybody and welcome to GQUAT Traditions. Today I thought we would make a quickie table runner and a quickie mug rug. It's very simple. You just need three things. You need some batting. I like cotton batting. You need some backing and you need some fabric for the front. This is some pretty little vases that I'm going to use, and you put them together like this. You put the right sides together for the fabric. Okay, these two are the right sides, so they're matching, and you simply place them on top of your batting. Now what I'm going to do is take you to the sewing machine. I'm going to leave a little opening like where my pointer fingers are, and I'm going to sew around the edges. It'll take like a minute and a half. I'm going to do the same thing with a table runner. I have two 12-inch blocks that were left over from another project, and I decided I would put them together, make a small table runner and or casserole pad. By it having the batting in it, it will protect your table and do a little bit more than be a beauty ornament for your table. Okay, we'll be right back. Okay, when you get to the corners, you just turn. And I put a pin so I would know where to stop. Go into backspace a little. And that's it. I'm clipping the strings, removing the pins. And now I will cut the corners so that when I turn them, I'll get a nice smooth point. I sewed with a light colored thread so that you could see the contrast. And then now I'll turn this inside out and you'll see how easily this is done. So, this is almost finished. I have a handy dandy chopstick here that I use for turning my corners. Pull them up. turn them inside out, and that's it. You have a table runner, coaster, whatever you want to call it, and you can either slip stitch it with a hand needle. You could sew this with a hand needle, the entire thing. It's a small project. Or you could go around the edges with the sewing machine like this. I'll do it with a light thread so that you can see it. A couple stitches in the front. Normally I would press it, but it's not necessary. This is how simple it is. Okay. Now, that's it. 100%, 100% done. Ta-da! A mug rug. This is going to be a table runner, 12 inches by 24. I'll show you when it's finished, and I'm going to do the same thing. Just sew around the edges, leave an opening to turn it, clip the corners so that you can push it out flat, and sew the edges. Then you have something beautiful to put on your table as well as protected. Okay, I will finish this and bring you back at the end.